This is a video agenda for Wednesday, March 18th for Integrated 1 English. So normally I would be screencasting this, but as you guys know, I've been having a difficult time getting things that I've recorded on Google Meet to upload in a respectable amount of time so that you guys can get to them. So I'm going to record several of these via YouTube so that the agendas and the plans and the lessons can get up a whole lot faster, because it's really frustrating what's happening. And I'm sure that Google's just absolutely getting slammed, and that's why the processing is so slow. So let's take a look at your agenda for today. I do want you to review vocabulary each day, just like we practice every day in class, and that's what helps you remember all of those words. You need to do the same thing on your own, and I will provide a variety of different ways for you to practice. So today you're going to practice in a document under the vocabulary tab called Vocabulary Practice 3/18/2020. And again, that's under the vocabulary tab. And in there are the images from the presentation, the word, and your goal is to try to remember what the definition is and practice writing the definition. If you're not sure, go back to the presentation and learn the definition. Say it in your head a few times before you write it so that you make sure that you really stick it in your brain. Number 2, make sure that you're completing at least one rewards lesson every single day. Take your time. These are getting a graded assignment every single day, every day. And myself and Mrs. Greenacre will be logging on to look at those and give you some feedback, make corrections. Don't just zip through it just to get it done. Finally, 2 more things. The Omnivore's Dilemma. There are a few things for the Omnivore's Dilemma that have posted so far. I do want you to watch the video that previews the questions that we're going to be writing on. I do want you to reread the introduction, and there are 2 things that you can use for this. There is a document which has the pages of the introduction, and there's also a video that has the pages and also has me reading. So choose one of those or do both of those and get through the introduction again, thinking about the writing questions, because we are doing text-dependent writing. So while you're rereading, you're thinking about the questions that you're having to answer and what evidence we might use. Then there is a video that explains the RICE method for writing, which is what we're going to be following. Make sure you take some notes. There's a place in your classroom to take notes for writing. Add those there. And then it's not up yet, but there's going to be a video that we will be writing the first prompt together following the RICE method so that you know what this is going to look like. And we are going to do most of that first document together, little by little. Finally, you've all been loaded up into Khan Academy. You have a separate classroom for that. And I want you to start today with the growth mindset unit. Try to get that completed. And I know there's not any tests or quizzes or things like that that go with it. I can see your completion, how much time you took to do it, and I will give you credit for completing that. We're in a tricky time for learning, and having a growth mindset around learning is going to be really, really important at this point. And there will also be some grammar things that get loaded up for you. There's also going to be some reading and writing things from Khan Academy. And then please remember to keep up with No Red Ink. Okay, well, I'm going to log out of this video, post it up, and I'll see you online. Remember to reach out to myself or Mrs. Greenacre or Miss Jess or to Jordan if you need any help with anything. We're all here to help you and meet with you online and get you through this process of learning. We're in it for the long haul. We know that we are out at least until April 28th. It could be longer. All right. I miss you guys, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.